Hey everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Dexscreener account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for Dexscreener, and click on the official website. Dexscreener is a powerful tool that allows traders to track and analyze real-time data from decentralized exchanges. Now, let's create an account. Click Sign In at the bottom left. You have three sign-in options: Google, Apple, Crypto Wallet. I am using Google. Select your Google account, if it asks, and once logged in, your email will appear at the bottom left, confirming access. Now you can browse cryptocurrencies with real-time data. Use the left menu for API, watchlist, alerts, and more. Apply filters at the top to refine your search. And that's it. You're ready to explore Dexscreener's features. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care. Music fades out.